Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off and on your camera and audio during a Zoom meeting on your mobile device. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Zoom app on your mobile device and sign in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to join or start a meeting where you can manage your audio and video settings. Now go ahead and join a meeting. You can do this by tapping on the Join button and entering the meeting ID, or by selecting a scheduled meeting from your list. Once you're connected to the meeting, you'll see other participants and the meeting interface will appear on your screen. Next, tap anywhere on your screen to reveal the meeting controls. This is an important step because the control panel isn't always visible during a meeting. It automatically hides itself to give you a cleaner view of the participants, but tapping the screen brings all the options back so you can manage your settings easily. Once the controls appear, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. Here you'll find two key buttons that control your audio and video participation in the meeting. These controls are positioned conveniently so you can quickly adjust them without disrupting the flow of the conversation. To turn off your microphone, simply tap the mute button. When you do this, other participants won't be able to hear you, which is useful when you're in a noisy environment or when you're just listening to the meeting without needing to speak. The button will typically turn red or show a slashed microphone icon to indicate that your audio is muted. Similarly, if you want to turn off your camera, tap the Stop Video button located right next to the mute option. This will disable your video feed, meaning other participants will no longer see you on screen. This feature comes in handy when you want to save bandwidth, maintain privacy, or simply prefer not to be on camera during certain parts of the meeting. Now, if you want to turn your microphone or camera back on, the process is just as simple. Just tap the same buttons in the bottom left corner again. Tapping the mute button will unmute your microphone, allowing others to hear you once more. Tapping the Stop Video button will reactivate your camera, bringing your video feed back into the meeting. The buttons act as toggles, making it incredibly easy to switch your audio and video on and off as needed throughout the meeting. And that's it. You now know how to control your audio and video settings during a Zoom meeting on your mobile device, giving you full control over your participation. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.